Hello, welcome to Totally Rambling, or Totally Random, however you choose to see it. Okay, so we've got a bubble relatively close to the middle. I just moved it, so anyway, we got a bubble. I'll get that fucking thing out of the way. So I've braced this up, it's screwed in there and it's screwed in there. Just giving that a run over with the orbital sander type gimmick. Giving this a sand, I should pan down, give it a sand down. And I came across something I found fucking funny, so I thought I'd share it. I'm going to give it a whack of this clear wood varnish, satin. Pardon me. If you got decent wood, brings it out. Pardon me. Obviously this needs to be polished up still, and I'm yet to get this roll pin out. It's been a bit of a prick, but nonetheless, perseverance, we will persevere. So, I'm not getting that door slam action that we were getting before, so I'll take that key out. I'll try and get it in, can we get the coin slot? Yep. Right, so, okay. This lock sport-ish. Proves there's nothing down there in the coin collection area. Maybe a bit of sawdust. So, for shits and giggles, I'm going to try and get those keys cut tomorrow and see whether they can actually fucking cut them better than my hand cut job. Okay, so we've got the coin slot in frame. I'm just going to dump 2 cents in there. Let yourself in. Gauged as it should be. You're going to let yourself out. You let yourself out. The door re-engages to vacant as it should, which overcomes all the... Basically, I needed this structure, the problems I had in the beginning, because without it being mounted properly, I had to click the latch and play with the back of it and all sorts of different things. So, those keys are cut, that's sorted. I've got a bit of aluminium across the top, and I've left a bit off the edge here, so I can still manipulate that. I think I might actually drill another hole, file it out, so I've got some adjustment there, and just take probably maybe 5mm off the edge, 7mm off this edge here. Otherwise that's sitting pretty flush there. Okay, so where were we? It's vacant, so there should be 2 cents in there. Now, just where am I trying to get shot? Just for shits and giggles, I thought, what else can I stick in here? Because I've tried 10-cent pieces, 5-cent pieces, and washers. So that gave me a giggle. So that puts it to the engaged position. No one can use it. You can let yourself out. So I suppose if I was born, well, I don't know, if I was a lot older and I was probably playing around with this stuff in the 70s, I would have, I don't know, dropped a washer in just to be curious. So I'll let you in, back out. So I don't know what the ratio of washers to cost of 2-cent pieces was back then. It might not have been cost effective, but it just said it drop in the change straight. Engaged again. Vacant. Vacant. And just once, because that last demo wasn't very accurate, but just using a washer. Oh, now what I've done, it's fucked up. I haven't bolted that plate back in, and what's happened is it's gone to the engaged state, but it's now locked in that position there. That washer's too small. So there you go. You wouldn't want to be ripping people off with washers because of, not only would your fingerprints be on them, but you might get the door in a fucked up position and run out of washers. Let's see if I can find another one real quick. I know, I bought a cheap pack of washers. Nonetheless, get yourself out. Ta-da. Just to prove it works, we use the key. So yeah, just locked up. Tenant's key, and we should find 4 washers and 2-cent piece down here. Trunk. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. 4 washers and 2-cent piece. So yeah, I suppose everything can be, I don't like the word hacked, but yeah, if you didn't impression the keys, I suppose you could always be a lazy fuckwit and throw 10-cent, not 10-cent pieces, washers in the fucking thing. Anyway, I hope to revive this further, so I've just got to get my belt sander bolted down, give it a really nice polish up. So I've got some wheels and stuff like that, so once I can get that rail pin, something nice to replace it, just probably a bit of thin alloy tube, or not alloy tube but brass, I'll do that, trim that off, give it a paint. It should be looking sweet. Anyway, should bring it back up, pointing at all these things and you can't see them. Anyway, totally random. We've got this thing going, so I don't know, it's just a bit of progress. I'm happy with it, so it's a good thing. Next, apply paint, then we'll polish this thing up. Cheers. Totally random. Thanks for watching. Peace.